How to never forget what you study. Memory Palace Magic. Imagine walking through your childhood home and instantly recalling every single fact from your textbook, every formula from your notes, and every concept from your lectures. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. Welcome to the incredible world of memory palaces. The ancient technique that's about to revolutionize your studying forever. What exactly is a memory palace? Picture this. Your brain is like a master architect, and you're about to build the most amazing mansion of knowledge ever created. A memory palace, also called the method of Lotzi, transforms any familiar location into a powerful storage system for information. Ancient Greek and Roman orators used this technique to memorize hours-long speeches without notes. If it worked for them, it'll absolutely work for you. How to build your first memory palace. Step 1. Choose your foundation. Start with a place you know like the back of your hand. It can be your bedroom, your kitchen, or even your favorite coffee shop. The more familiar, the better. This becomes your magical learning headquarters. Step 2. Create your route. Walk through your chosen location in a specific order. Maybe you start at the front door, move to the living room, then the kitchen, and so on. This becomes your memory highway. Always follow the same path. Step 3. Place your information. Here's where the magic happens. Take each piece of information you need to remember and create a vivid, bizarre, or funny mental image. Then, place these images at specific locations along your route. Want to remember that the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell? Picture a tiny power plant sitting on your kitchen counter, buzzing with electricity. Pro tips for memory palace mastery. Make your images absolutely ridiculous. Your brain remembers weird, funny, and exaggerated things much better than boring facts. The more outrageous, the more unforgettable. Use all your senses. Don't just see your images, hear them, smell them, feel them. This creates multiple neural pathways, making recall lightning fast. Practice your route regularly. Walk through your palace daily, visiting each memory spot. Soon, accessing your stored information will become as natural as breathing. All right, buddy, get ready to amaze yourself and everyone around you with your newfound superpower memory.